In front of me is OPPO A80 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this flash at the bottom left corner. Hit Files to pick an audio one and look for it in one of those apps. In the Recent section by hitting Audio, or hit those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, hold the chosen file and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one though, hit Gallery, tap on your video here, or select Folders, look for it here, and click on it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!